Hi, I'm Jim Hendricks with Boating Magazine. Who doesn't like a nice cold drink when you're out on the water? But no one wants to deal with bags of ice every time you go boating. It's a hassle. Your precious ice and the money you paid for it melts away by the end of the day. Now there's an easier way thanks to the innovative engineering from Dometic Marine. Dometic's new award-winning line of all-in-one CSX series cold machines include both refrigeration and freezer systems. They're very compact and they're sized to accommodate a wide range of insulated compartment capacities, so they can work for just about any boat. The self-contained lightweight design of the CSX cold machine means it's a simple drop-in. No refrigerant lines or couplers are needed. That makes the CSX refrigerators and freezers the easiest ever to install. Dometic likes to call it plug and chill. Yep, they got it right. We installed the Dometic CSX 200 inside the built-in insulated transom cooler aboard this 25-foot Seafox walk-around cuddy. It took us about a half day to complete this DIY project, and then we were ready to turn on the cold machine. The CSX 200 is the most compact and lightweight of the Dometic cold machines. Able to use 12 or 24 volts, the CSX 200 can reliably refrigerate compartments up to 200 liters in volume. That's over 1,200 cubic inches or 7 cubic feet. What a ton of cold air. Just how cold is the cold machine? Well, let me tell you, the electronic thermostat can be set to temperatures as low as 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and yet the power draw is just 5 amps when operating on 12 volts. That low power draw means you can run refrigeration efficiently without putting a heavy strain on your boat's electrical system. For boating after dark, the Dometic cold machine even features a built-in LED light, so you can always locate your food or favorite drink day or night. On top of this, the Dometic cold machines use R1234Y refrigerant. It's today's most eco-friendly refrigerant, boasting a global warming potential that is 99% lower than the older types of refrigerants. Upgrade to the CSX cold machine and you'll never have to deal with ice again. I'll drink to that. Scan the QR code or visit Dometic.com to find the right CSX cold machine for your boat. For Boating Magazine, I'm Jim Hendricks.